Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick. Transforming a simple piece of scrap steel wire cable, often thrown away, into a powerful, versatile tool. I'm starting with a standard metal rod. I'll secure it in my vise and use an angle grinder to shape the end. I'm carefully grinding it down to create a flattened, chisel-like tip. This is going to serve as the base for a multi-purpose handle we are building to help with this project. Next, I take a small steel nut and weld it directly onto the rod. I'm quickly cleaning off the welding slag using a chipping hammer and a wire brush. I'm testing with a bolt to ensure the threads are clear and operate smoothly. This handle will be crucial for holding our smaller workpieces safely during the build. I secure in the vise and use the angle grinder to meticulously sharpen the unthreaded end into a fine point. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. This focus point will be useful as a tool later, but the shaft also allows the finished piece to fit perfectly into our drill chuck. Next, I need a metal collar, so I cut a small section from a steel pipe. Then, I grab our main material, a thick piece of discarded steel wire cable. I will thread the steel cable through the center of the metal collar. To secure it permanently, I hammer the collar flat against the anvil of my vise. This crimps the metal tightly around the inner wires, so they won't slip. Then, I use the angle grinder to trim one end of the cable flush with the collar. I will completely seal this end to ensure the wires will never pull out under heavy rotation. After welding is complete, I will use an angle grinder to smooth out the weld. Using pointed bolt, I will weld the flat end of the cable assembly directly to the blunt end of the bolt. This securely connects the brush head to the attachment point on the handle. I then grind down the weld for a smooth, balanced finish. To form the actual brush bristles, I cut the remaining cable to the desired length. I use pliers to untwist and spread out all the individual high-carbon wire strands. This expands the surface area, creating a stiff, aggressive brush head perfect for removing tough grime. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Before we use the brush, let's see why that custom handle is so useful. After laying down a test weld on some scrap metal, I can use the pointed tool we made earlier as a handy chipping hammer to easily crack and remove the hot slag. At the other end, I'm using a wire brush to clean off the remaining welding slag. It's a great bonus tool for any welding shop. Once I'm done chipping, I just unscrew the pointed bit. I secure our DIY wire brush into my power drill. Watch what happens when I tackle this heavily rusted circular saw blade. See how it effortlessly strips away the years of rust and reveals the shiny bare metal underneath? Because we use high-strength steel cable. This homemade tool is incredibly powerful and durable. It also works absolute wonders on uneven, cast surfaces like this old, rusty water pump. The stiff wire bristles easily reach into tight corners and crevices that sandpaper can never get to. Our incredible heavy-duty wire brush, made from simple scrap cable. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what you cleaned with this tool. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.